Alright, y'all, so tomorrow is Cinco de Mayo, whatever. So I wanted to make a drink. I wanted to make a drink, and I don't have any rum. Everyone's using rum, but I don't have rum. But I'm gonna use the new Ciroc Summer Watermelon. I love the flavor of it. I always get the new stuff when Diddy drops them. So I'm about to whip this drink up really quick. It's pretty strong. If you don't drink, if you're under 21, don't watch this video and do not make this drink. All right, so first we're gonna puree down the watermelon with some lemon juice. Cut side up, don't get any seeds. Make sure you wash all your fruits before you put them in your refrigerator or before you use them. That should be enough. That one was pretty juicy. Let me close this up and I'll show you guys what I do next. Alright, you guys, so I got the crushed ice option on my refrigerator, so that's why my ice is crushed. But you can just use any kind of ice. It's whatever. So I'm gonna pour my Ciroc down.
Now it's up to you how much Ciroc you wanna add. I'm not even measuring, so.
It had to have been like 3 shots. Then you wanna pour, yum. Look, let me move this back. Look how pretty that is. I wish I wasn't recording at night so I could really pick it up, but my camera will, so you guys will be able to really get the full effect of the drink. It's strong as hell, and it might not be for everybody, but it's natural watermelon juice and watermelon Ciroc. Boom. Alright guys, so this is the final recipe to my Cinco de Mayo series, and this is my drink. It's so pretty, and I can't wait to drink it, or maybe not. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll catch y'all on my next video. I have a bunch of vegan recipes coming up right after this, so make sure you watch them. Bye guys.